Good afternoon, everyone. It's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4. I'm very, very excited today because this has just landed at HQ. It's our stunning 2023 Defender 110. This is the 3-litre X-dynamic HSE, and it is very, very special. One of my favourites we've ever had, actually. It's got the full Rebel Bodykit and, of course, 300 brake horsepower Straight-6 diesel engine, which is the most important engine in these, I would say. Most popular, most sought after. You wouldn't want anything less and you wouldn't want anything more. Power, but without, draining your bank too much. But anyway, it's a very luxury vehicle, full of spec. It has been de-chromed at the front, as you may know from factory. These front ends, what would I call it? Grille surroundings come chrome, and then of course we have glossed it in black with the full Rebel Bodykit. You can see there the light bar in the grille really stands out. Rebel badges, and also someone's making a lot of noise in the background, but I'll forgive them on this occasion. You've got this stunning, almost blinding light bar. You feel like an absolute celebrity in front of this. David, an unacceptable level of noise for my YouTube video. Anyway, all is forgiven because he's cleaned the car for me to do this video. You have these mega 23-inch wheels. Now, look at them. Look at the size of them. I mean, against my leg, they come up to my bloody hip. They're huge. Incredible. Red brake calipers. You've got the fixed side steps. You have the roof rack. Very important. If, like me, you're a practical person, you like to get your bikes on the top of your car or your surf. There he is, the boss man at the back, trying to hide from my video. It's been a bit of a chaotic video, this one, so I do apologise, but this is absolutely stunning. You see these nice red accents there as well, matching the calipers. Mud flaps, of course. The wheel arches, gloss black, Rebel badges. Because this car makes you feel like a rebel when you drive it. Isn't that right?
I think it's a little bit of a kit, isn't it?
Yeah.
An absolute weapon.
Well, it's a big bit of kit, I would say.
And also, we do these specifically unique. No one else in the north sells the Rebel Defenders. We've got two that we've just finished. The 2022 model with just 300 miles on, or 600 miles on along that line.
Yeah.
And this is a 23. Both D300 HSEs. Amazing. Thank
you for that. On to the interior. Anyone else want to chip in? Just welcome them in. Off he goes. Anyway, interior wise, of course, HSE spec. It has the upgraded Meridian sound system. That noise is going to drive me absolutely flipping mental. Wait a minute. Then, of course, you've got this stunning carbon fibre trim, very special. So it not only looks special on the outside, the interior is stunning too. And that is very important to me. A lot of people, put a body kit on a car, but it's a very standard car inside. Now, this is something special. Excuse my dirty fingerprints on the screen. It was clean before I got in it. Stunning ambient lighting, of course, changeable. Beautiful interior. You can see that full digital dash. I don't like the old-fashioned dial dashes, which some of these still have on. Heated steering wheel, etc. What have we got down here? Of course, you've got air suspension, so it's in the access mode at the moment, like the lowered mode. Good if you're old or you've got short legs like myself. Handy to get people in and out of the cars. You can get your kids in and out very easily, and then with the touch of the button you can go into your normal height driving mode, and then of course your off-road mode if you're actually going to use this vehicle as an off-road vehicle, which I'm not sure many people do, but it's there if you want it. Of course, you've got the bigger upgraded screen now. Let me just lower that back down. Lots of features on here. Apple CarPlay, got my favourite radio station on, Kistray. All the best tunes, of course. Heated and cooled seats, as you can see. Nice to keep your bum cold in summer. and warm in winter. An essential, if you ask me. Another feature on this car is the deployable tow bar. Perfect if you have a horse or a trailer or something, anything, you could tow anything. If you have it, you might as well use it. And if you're not going to use it, when you come to resell this car, if you ever sell it, it's a nice selling point, because some people you know, insist on having a tow bar. Of course, you've got your standard navigation, but you've also got your Apple CarPlay, which I prefer personally. But then camera wise, you have 360 cameras there, which I definitely need because I'm terrible at parking. And it's like a real life view, which is really, really handy. So, you know, there's no excuses for curbing any alloys on this stunning car. As you can see, of course, you have, with a flick of a switch, a sunroof. Beautiful. Not only is it a sunroof, but it is a sliding sunroof. I shan't slide it open now because it's got a roof rack on it, but it is a sliding sunroof, which is a lovely, lovely, lovely option. Again, all this carbon fibre here is just so beautiful. You don't see this very often at all. Actually reminds me of like an SVR with all the carbon interior. More storage there. That orange bag is a locking wheel, in case you're wondering. Looks a bit ominous there. But yeah, more storage. You've got, of course, charging ports, cup holders, get your coffees in. Perfect. You have, of course, carbon fibre on the doors as well. So yeah, I think that's it for the front. Electric memory seats, of course. This is a 7-seater vehicle, so you can, you know, get your kids in, get the whole family in. Or it's all gone wrong, my video cut off. But anyway, this is all mashed together now. Your rear seats at the back, you have carbon fibre, again, beautiful ambient purple lighting. Luxury carpet mats. Literally, I'd have my shoes and socks off in this. It's just fabulous. Air conditioning in the back, carbon fibre. You can see there your rear 7 seats. Oh bloody hell, popped off quite fast then and knocked myself out. Anyway, those are your 6th and 7th seat. Perfect. You know, if you've got the whole family, or if like me, you've just got a dog, you just get some more dogs, I suppose, or take your friends out in the car. You can fit everyone in, which is perfect. And here is the back. It's actually a very slimming angle on this wheel cover, which I'm pleased about. Some of them blow you up, but yeah. Yeah, rear seats, they fold down flat, give you extra room. And then, of course, you've got your tow bar, which comes out. You can also deploy the tow bar from the screen at the front, so you don't actually have to come in the boot. But there it is, so handy. I mean, you could do anything with that, couldn't you? You could tow a horse, tow a trailer. I don't know what else people tow, but you could do lots of stuff. It's handy to have. It's doing a lot of beeping. I've pressed it too many times. Oh, there it goes. In it goes. Of course, you've got your ladders there to get up on the roof. You could get a tent on this. You could go camping on this. You could do anything. Or you could just, like me, how I would, cruise about town, just looking fabulous in it. So whatever your lifestyle, this Defender 110 with the Rebel Bodykit is probably the car for you. It looks good. It drives amazingly. For me, it's the ultimate SUV. It is just stunning. Modern, stylish, practical. What more could you want? And we have some excellent rates of finance at the moment. So if you would like some more info on this car, you can email us at info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk. You can inquire on our website, you can inquire on our Instagram.